we're going to be ranking Tornado Alley Ultimate game modes. Well, I originally played Tornado Valley. Yes, I'm a veteran to it. Chad, I like him. I like, not him, but I like the game mode. He's quite chill. He lets us live. Chickenado, hilarious, A tier. Doomsday, this is the most adrenaline pumping. B, because not really good. Boring, but not as boring as normal mode. I like this one because if it does the one move, it has a Godzilla sound effect. And I used to really like Godzilla, so yeah. Bombs Away is quite fun. A tier. Chopnado. I know, you might not agree, but it no longer has the Sharknado name, and it doesn't have its old theme of Shark! 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 Therefore, I don't like it anymore. Hard to move on. Tornado. It's actually quite fun. I love surviving zombies. It's just a dust devil. What is so important about it? Now this one, it actually is quite cool. It's way better than Tornado. Glitchnado. Meh, C tier. This is a very pretty one, so it's my favorite because it's quite cool looking. I might as well just put it in A tier because I like it. Jackonado. It's quite annoying, so D tier. Krampus. A. Low gravity, just, I love it. It's B. Lurker, quite cool. D. Mega Tornado. That's one of the coolest, so probably somewhere. It's way better than all. It's the best A tier. Noobnado. I have to put it with those. Normal survival. Yeah, there's nothing cool about it, so it sucks. Man, I kind of forgot its ability, so I'm just putting it in F tier. Rain Wrapped, very annoying, so F tier. Retronado, I love it. It's retro, and it involves the original, so it's S tier. Just yeah. Riftnado, meh. I gotta say, it's quite alright. It's cool. It's the second best A tier. Sixnado. More adrenaline pumping, so it goes in A tier. Skirmish. I love getting fights, but not too much, so B. Tajidu. Meh. The yin yang will go better. Tartarus. It was always my dream of surviving Tartarus, so A tier. I mean S tier. Time Bomb Terror. D. But it's better than Tajitsu. Toastnado. Meh. D. Triple Threat. Where did Triple Threat go? Where did I put Triple Threat? Wherever, it was just above. Double Trouble and with Glitchnado. Trollnado, it will be worse. It's not as good. Twisty the Clown. Man, he's cool. Skirmish. Unstoppable. Very adrenaline pumping. Actually, Tartarus should be the #1 favorite I have up there. No, it's Retronado. Yin and Yang. C tier for Yin Yang. Because he's cooler. You're doomed. Adrenaline pumping, so it's better than 6 NATO, so yeah. CS Matt, the lightning's annoying, and that's my ranking of it. If you don't agree, that's okay. Just don't come at me for my opinion.